कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हां, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हां, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। Franchise India, 20 years of ideas.
Friends, a very good afternoon to all of you. I'd like to thank all of our investors who have joined today's webinar. And we have a very interesting opportunity, and we have none other than the founder, Mr. Somnath Ji, who's present here to present his opportunity with Cleans 24. Kanika, you taking me through this presentation? So friends, this is what we are offering you. This is Cleans 24, which is India's #1 hygienic care app service company, and they offer services like laundry, dry cleaning, and most important, these are all subscription based services, which also includes water purifier services. So Archana, before I request Mr. Somnath to take it ahead, I'll request Archana if she can also formally introduce. She has just rejoined once again. Over to you.
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I just got disconnected. So thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for hosting this particular webinar. And today, the business opportunity which we have got for all of you under our business opportunity with Chai is the brand comes from New Delhi. We are presenting Cleans 24. It's India's #1 hygienic care app service, which is offering laundry, dry cleaning, and subscription-based RO services. And today we have invited Mr. Somnath to talk about this particular business opportunity. We shall start with the formal presentation from his side, and then we'll invite Sonia ma'am for her panel discussion. We would like to make it very interactive, so we request each one of you to please share your question and answers in question and answer box. So thank you so much, Somnath ji, for joining in today. May we request to start with a formal presentation from your side, and obviously we would love to understand how you started this journey.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you, Sonia, for inviting me to this show. So shall I start?
Yes, sir, we can start.
Hi, this is Somnath. I am the founder and CEO of Cleans 24. Cleans 24 is a health and hygiene care platform. After COVID and during COVID, we all know that how health and hygiene is important for us. So there are 5 major factors we think that prevention is better than cure. In that 5 major things we focus on. The first one is the clean garments, then clean surrounding, then clean water, clean air, clean food, and clean health and wellness. So among this, in the first phase, we launched our laundry and dry cleaning, that is comes under the clean garments and clean surrounding section, and clean water, that is the IoT based water purifiers subscription. So we are India's first laundry and dry cleaning aggregation platform. We are not a mom and pop store for the laundry. We are the aggregation platform with multiple vendor support. Then we are the third water purification subscription platform in India. Then we are having 100+ years of overall experience team. Then our app is also live on Android, iOS, then web also, and there are a lot of users into it. So why we choose the aggregation platform? We know that during COVID and after COVID, a huge shift of online platforms were there. Like most of the people were using app-based services and online services. So we thought that laundry and dry cleaning, the small mom and pop stores were facing a lot of challenges that they were offline, majorly offline. And their OPEX cost, which is around 1 lakh rupees, the rental cost and the full manpower was very high. So we thought that let's collaborate with them and let us solve their issue, giving them a digital presence and exposure to a large customer pool. And we also support them to reduce their OPEX cost by taking the load in our backend plant. That plant is the that franchisee model we are giving. So we process them and give it to the small mom and pop stores. And we also offer them logistics support and CRM order management support also. The customer also were facing issues because most of them are offline, the mom and pop stores. So we gave them that, we have an ample number of small mom and pop stores onboarded on our platform. Right now, we are having 325 partners in Delhi NCR. So we give them a support for smart scheduling, order tracking via web and app. So it's an online platform, so offers, discounts, referrals remain same for all, even if they can check the quality and take the services. So in the water purification segment, we thought that for a single water purifier, somebody has to do expenses of 15 to 20,000 rupees to purchase any RO. Then after that, there is an annual maintenance of 3,000 to 4,000. So it's very high. So most of the people can't afford to purchase a RO in like cities, also in small cities also. So we thought that let's come up with a subscription model where somebody has to pay only 500, because even if the bottled water they are purchasing 30 to 40 rupees per bottle, and if somebody is using 15 to 20 bottles, then they are giving a cost of somewhere around 800 to 900 rupees. So we come up with a model that let's give them a water bottle, let's give them a RO purifier with a subscription, just 500 rupees per month. They have to recharge and they can use the water. And there is a authenticity for that also. So in that authenticity, they can check the pH value, TDS value, real-time water quality checks. Then they can check the water flow also, how much liters of water consumption they are using daily. Then here the beauty of this model is that there is zero upfront cost. They don't have to pay a like 15 to 20,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. That is zero. Then installation cost is also zero, and the complete maintenance, how much time they are using, it doesn't matter. It's a free maintenance also. So revenue streams for the laundry dry cleaning model that we are launching, we have already launched, and we have multiple stores in Delhi NCR. So the revenue streams are from our app directly. B2C customers also comes. Then there is subscription models of different packages into B2C. Then the aggregation of load from small mom and pop laundromats who don't have machines. There are around 60% of the laundromats, they don't have the machines, or even some of them are there who are having small machines. The dry cleaning and laundry facility is not available with them. So we take them, take the load to our backend plant, and we process it at a 50% cost. So it's a OPEX reductions for them also, and it's a win-win situations for both of us. Then we are having aggregations of hostels, hospitals, hotels, and airlines. We are 3.5 years company. We are already having tie-ups with Stanza Living, then APJ Groups, then Oyo Homes, GP Homes, Hive Homes, Pacific group of hotels, and many other hotels also. We are having Indigo Airlines with also onboarded. In water purification, water purifier segment, the revenue streams are subscription from like small bachelors, live-ins, and the family also who can't afford to take the RO, who don't know the who are ready to take the RO with zero investment, and matlab they can pay 500 rupees. Just is very normal for a matlab like middle class or lower middle class people also. Then also we subscription for like small retail outlets. We know that all the retail outlets in our area also, there are 2000 to 3000 shops in a kilo, like 10 kilometers area. Then matlab like they were using bottled water. So in that case, they can take our RO and they can get the authenticity of the water, and matlab only 500 rupees they have to pay. The subscriptions for small hotels, hospitals, like hostels also, who are very small hostels, like matlab 20 to 30 members, they don't have the capacity to purchase a RO and put it. Matlab, why to purchase a RO when they are getting matlab in 500 rupees? That is the beauty of this model. So our franchisee model, for laundry and dry cleaning, is not a mom and pop store. It's a plant-based model. So it's a bigger unit. Like the investment is 27 lakhs plus taxes, where taxes is fully refundable. We are open with two models, FICO and FOFO. FICO is franchise invest company operated, and franchise owned, franchise operated. FICO is open for Delhi NCR. We are having multiple units in Delhi NCR. Like we are having partner-based units. Right now in Delhi NCR, we are operating 10 units, 10 plants. So we are open FICO for Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Pune. FOFO is open for all major cities, but the population should be 5 lakhs so that we can get an ample number of like mobile users or app-based users. So ROI is very impressive. It's 2x to 3x times in 5 years. Even if you can put other machines, we can get the maximum output in just 1.5 years. So after that, if you can put machines also, we can increase the ROI in that case. In water purification segment, investment is 11 lakhs plus taxes for the first like 3 months. So in the first 3 months, we'll be giving 100 pieces. Here company is investing like the cost of the RO is 10,000 rupees. Company investing 4,000 and franchisee investing 6,000. So in the initial phases for the first 3 months, we are giving 100 pieces of RO at into 6,000 is 6 lakh rupees plus 5 lakhs is the franchisee fees. So after 3 months, they have to procure, and it's a model up to 350 pieces they should install. But we will be helping them to install, like we'll be doing the marketing and all. We will be installing the ROs. And if we couldn't able to install, then we will give the return within 3 months these 100 pieces. Then we'll return the franchise fees and we'll operate ourselves. So it's open for all major cities, like with 1 lakh population. Like we know that in villages also, in small towns like Banaras, Lucknow, Bhopal, and all these cities, the small cities where having a population of 1 lakh, they are using bottled water also, and there is piped water they are using, which is not authentic. So in those cities also, small cities also, this model is very feasible and is very viable. So ROI is 2x to 3x same in this also 5 years, and they can multiply this with the number of installations. Suppose somebody is installing 1,000 pieces, then the ROI increases drastically. So this is the CleanJo setup cost. So the franchisee fees is like 6 lakh rupees. Then this is a bigger model, like we are using bigger machines, like there is 25 kgs of machines, then 15 kgs. Then there is it's a laundry and dry cleaning, both the units. So there is a very viable unit, because there is multiple revenue streams also. You can see that from our app, B2C customers directly come, then B2B customers from the hostels, hospitals, and all these things. Then the B2B segment also is very wide in this field. We are having a lot of tie-ups. And B2C also, we are seeing there are a lot of customers flowing up, because most of the people are nowadays using the mobile app. And we also see that around 30% of the laundromats whom we are tied up, they don't have the machines, they are using our services. Like in our current units, somewhere around like 30 laundromats are associated and they are using our services. So the minimum carpet area which we required is 2,000 square feet. It should be in an interior place, like in outside of the marketplaces because it's a plant-based model. So the rental should be lower. So rental should be lower, and the area is required is around 2,000 square feet because of the machine sizes, and the load we are catering is very huge. So the Cleanzo ROI, you can see that Cleanzo is the laundry and drying model. We are for the like FICO model, we are offering a minimum guarantee for the first year is 4,80,000. Then it increases like exponentially. Then when you are seeing the EBITDA in the EBITDA segment, as company is operating the model, so franchisee share will be the 70% and company share will be the 30% in the profit margin. So the higher up the above, the franchise you will be getting. So the minimum guarantee is around 2x times, and the higher and the above the EBITDA like profit margin. If profit is very high, then even if this is we have taken lower side, and it can go up to 1 crore rupees. Like it will be like 4x times. So Puro setup cost, as I have mentioned, that is like RO enabled, like IoT enabled. IoT is a special device we are putting up into this because we want to know the flow, we want to know the TDS value of the water purifier, we want to know the pH value of the water we are drinking. Nowadays people are using the Kangen water, in the Kangen water whose cost is around 2,75,000 for the machines. So we know that how much important is water purifier right now, because due to pollution, if you are staying in Delhi NCR or any other cities, the water is deteriorating like anything. The water air quality is deteriorating. So water purifier is one of the most important major factors, and as per government of India, is growing at a CAGR of 37% annually. So we have developed this water system. It's a IoT enabled water system. You can get everything on the app only. I mentioned that we are an online platform on the app based. So 60 is a 10,000 cost RO. 60% of the cost is being paid by the franchisee, and 40% cost is borne by the company. So 6,000 per RO franchisee has to pay, then 40% company, 4,000 company will pay. So in the first phase, LOA plus agreement, we have to get like 100 pieces, then franchisee fees. Then after 3 months, after the installation of first 100 pieces, then again 100 pieces somebody has to install. Then after 6 months, again 100 pieces. So we have taken up to 350 pieces, but somebody can go up to 1,000 pieces in 1 year or 2 years down the line, because it's multiplying the revenue also. So the revenue comes like this: the 500 rupees, 350 goes to the franchisee and 150 comes to the company. So franchisee has to take care of the technicians, which is like the small, like membrane replacement or purification replacement. All these things has to be done by the franchisee. So around 10,000 to 12,000 for the technician. They have to take a small space to take the small maintenance, or they can do at their home also. This can be saved. And miscellaneous like tea, coffee, or traveling expenses we have taken. So 350 rupees franchisee will get from the 500 rupees. 150 rupees will be taken care by the company. And in that 150, we are giving the GSM cost. Then all the maintenance is free. So company will be giving the material to the franchisee. Even if per annum, if there is a maintenance, the company will schedule it. We are having online app, everything will be there. So we will be giving the materials to the franchisee, and franchisee can replace that through their technicians. So after 5 years, if somebody wants to discontinue with us, then suppose 350 pieces they have taken, then 40% value will be giving to them. So 8,40,000 will be giving to them. So the total cost, the ROI would be around 2x to 3x times. So I think that the RO concept, even if like for the 5 years, is a very small time frame. It can be go up to 10 years to 15 years with a very nominal renewal fees of 2.5 lakh rupees. So the marketing support, we are already active in like WhatsApp, digital, social media, matlab FMs. Then we are having flyers, brochures, newspapers, and all these things we will be doing. We will be taking care of the sales parts in both the segments, like laundry and dry cleaning aggregation model, as well as the RO purification model. No need to take care of the franchisee. Then we are giving a 24/7 customer support to the people. Then training, we are giving the basic training, then per month training, there is a quarterly training, there is a half yearly training, there is annual training. So our training specialists, like our training specialist will go to the franchisee places and they will give the basic training to all of them. Then we are giving the CRM support, because only sales doesn't matter, so we should give the better quality of services also. So CRM support, logistic supports, everything will be providing to our franchisee. So our team, myself, Somnath Rautre, I am the CEO of the company. I am having 7+ years of corporate experience into design, engineering, sales, and strategy. I was earlier working with Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited into their water division. So we have taken care of 750 MLD, 500 MLD, complete Agra like water purification system from the Yamuna water. So then I was with Tahal Consulting. It's a government company of Israel. Then they were privatized. So I was taking care of the sales with them. Then I was with JP Group also into their cement and fertilizer division. Then in the I was with Demag also. It's a Dutch company into cranes and components. So previously I was having a 3+ years of startup experience also. We were doing really fine into this segment from laundry and dry cleaning. We are since last 3.5 years, we are doing really great into this segment. So after COVID only, we thought that this model, aggregation model, what are the challenges the small mom and pop stores are facing, how to recover them, how to reduce their OPEX cost, how to increase their revenue, how to increase our revenue. So we come up with an aggregation model and this water purification model. So the complete concept of Cleans24, Cleans is a A to Z concept from like Amazon. It's a to Z concept for the clean and health and hygiene. So in the first phase, we have launched these 2 products. Then in the second phase, like 1 year or 2 years down the line, we'll be launching our air purifier segment and organic segment. Then in the last phase, we'll be launching our health and wellness segment. So our CEO North India, he is having 15+ years of experience into perishable and fresh produce industry and logistics. He is taking care of the complete logistics in our company. So he is also a 3+ years of startup experience with me since last organizations. Like Venkat, he is the CEO of South India. So he is having 15+ years of experience into leadership positions of strategy, executions, and various MNCs in Middle East countries. He was working like in last 15 years from Middle East countries only. He has taken care of large projects. Then Uday Pratap Singh, he is the CTO of company. He is 20+ years of experience in technology. So he has developed all the technologies of our systems. So he is with us. He is taking care of everything like technology part. Ritika Jain, she was a colleague to me. She is head of strategy and marketing. She is IIM Ahmedabad pass out. She is taking care of the marketing and strategy parts, how to implement the strategy, how to implement the products into the market, what are the problems we are facing, what are the solutions we have to. She is taking care of strategy and marketing. Vijay Pratap Singh, he is the head business development. He is having 7+ years corporate experience as well as 3+ years of startup experience. So he is taking care of the business development part, how to develop our water purification model or a laundry model in smaller cities also. So we are having unique propositions against it. So this is a basic video we have.
क्या कंफ्यूज है? इतने सारे कपड़ों का क्या करें? अपने नजदीकी लॉन्ड्री वाला और प्रेस वाले की सर्विस, रेटिंग, प्राइस और टाइमिंग से परेशान हैं? अब परेशान होना बंद कीजिए. Introducing Cleans24 app, India's only 24-hour laundry, dry cleaning and upholstery care app. आज ही डाउनलोड करें और अपने पास के लॉन्ड्री वाला, ड्राई क्लीनर और प्रेस वाला को सर्च करें, कंपेयर करें क्वालिटी चेक करें और अपने कन्वीनियंट टाइम के मुताबिक पिकअप टाइम चूज करें और अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दें। Our pickup boy will reach your doorstep at the preferred date and time. अब आप घर बैठकर अपना quality time enjoy करें। No calling, no waiting. Get hassle-free experience. Download Cleans 24 app और अपनी laundry cleaning से पाएं छुटकारा। App is available on Google Play Store and App Store. क्या confused है?
So this is the RO that was for the laundry. This is the RO is consist of RO, UV and mineralizer. So basically in RO industry, most of the people are selling only RO. Reverse osmosis, as I belong to the water division only, so reverse osmosis is the only dead water. So we have included 3 forms of like mineralizations also, UV also, RO also. So the first sedimentation, then RO, then UV, it will go through with the UV chamber. Then in last we are adding the minerals also, which is most important in this. So for the customers it's very beneficial because they have to do the zero investment, zero installation charge, zero maintenance for life, the filter replacement cost for life, everything is free. So we are taking care of everything. Thank you from my side.
Thank you so much, Somnathji. And friends, we'll start the questions and answer round. We have the next 15 odd minutes. Any questions that you want to take up on the 2 business models that you have gone through, you may put that in the Q&A box and we'll start taking it up now. And so very quickly, friends, this is a model, which brings in 2 services. One is laundry and the other is the services of water. And we have again 2 models where the business of laundry comes with franchisee invested company owned and also franchisee owned, franchisee operated, while the business of water purifier is only franchisee owned, franchisee operated. The average investment for laundry is about 27 odd lakhs and water is about 11 odd lakhs. And the company, as we saw, deals into these 2 services broadly, and they currently have their operations primarily in north of India, in Gurgaon, Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, and also Dehradun, where they're coming up is what I had also read through. And they're offering free delivery. They're also offering 24/7 customer support and plus a live tracking and order updates through their technology and through their app-based business. So very quickly, Somnathji, we've talked about 2 models, and if we can have a little understanding on both these models in depth, and my first set of questions which I would like to start is with the laundry business, and we've talked about franchisee invested company operated and franchisee owned, franchisee operated model. Now, my question here is because you also have current locations operating in Delhi NCR. So is franchisee invested company operated limited to the current locations we are operating, or this would also extend to any new setup which a franchisee wants to do in these locations? One, and are we also extending that beyond Delhi NCR at this stage or not?
So right now we are focusing on basically south and north part. In FICO is open for Delhi NCR, as we are having currently 5 to 10 units in Delhi NCR. So 7 units are of the partners we have associated with, so that we are trying to convert it into the FICO model. 7 units we are putting it into the FICO model, and 3 we company owned models is there. One in Noida, another in Greater Noida, one in Gurgaon. So that we are also giving it into the FICO model. Apart from that, we are having operations in Bangalore. We are having Bangalore office. So we are giving the FICO model in Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Pune, where it is survivable and where we can do the operations, because everywhere we can do the operations. It's glitches for the company also. So the FICO is limited to certain cities, that is Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Pune. And FOFO is also we are giving into those cities where there is a population of 5 lakhs and more, because so that we can get an ample number of customers, because it's a aggregation model. It's not a mom and pop store that we are going to open it and we are going to start the operations. So it's basically an aggregation model. It's a back-end plant. It's an interior area plant or an industrial area plant. So for that we need the load also. So we think, and we have analyzed in last 3.5 years, that 5 lakhs ever populations into this segment is more than enough to operate, because even if for a small mom and pop store, if the revenue is 2x to 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs rupees, here the revenue goes very high, like 9 to 10 lakhs rupees. So 9 to 10 lakhs or even more, in that case, the operations also is a major factor. So everywhere we can't go with a FICO or FOFO model. So there is a limitations into both, that FICO is open for Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Pune. And FOFO is generally meant for those places which is having 5 lakh, like Lucknow, Banaras, then Bhopal, or the like cities of the states. That is the major expansion plan we are focusing on the first phase.
Sure. Yeah, so my understanding would also be, so all the cities that you have mentioned, and friends, this is very important to understand because the company has to take care of all the day-to-day operations. They would like to be operating in locations where they currently have their own presence, which includes NCR, Delhi, and also Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad. These are some locations where the company has their own bandwidth of taking care of day-to-day operations. So सोमनाथ जी, थोड़ा बहुत और अगर हम इन डेप्थ जाएं फ्रेंचाइजी इन्वेस्टेड कंपनी ऑपरेटेड मॉडल में, इसमें दो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. एक तो रेवेन्यू शेयर मॉडल है, जो भी हमारी सेल्स होती हैं उस आउटलेट के थ्रू, और दूसरा हमारा मिनिमम गारंटी है, जिसमें इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द सेल द फ्रेंचाइजी पार्टनर स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग रेवेन्यू इनफ्लो. सो आई सो एक अगर हम एवरेज समझ सकें, अगर हम 3 लोकेशंस की बात करते हैं दिल्ली में भी, देयर 3 odd locations which I understand which are owned, operated by the company. ये 3 locations भी फिलहाल available हैं. Any franchisee can take it over. The best thing about this is because these locations already operating, they already are doing business. So आपको predictability of business है in locations में. आपको बाकी सारी information भी जो इन locations पे operations हैं उन सब की भी आपको मिलती है. So you have these details which can be shared with you. So सोमनाथ जी, इसमें मैं ये समझना चाहती थी, जैसे दोनों हमारी हैं, तो एवरेज हमारा, एक तो इन 3 लोकेशंस पे हमारा एवरेज बिजनेस क्या है. सेकंड, अगर हम दूसरी लोकेशंस की भी हम बात करते हैं, कितना टाइम लगता है उस ऑप्टिमम लेवल पे आने के लिए, बिकॉज हमारा जो मॉडल आपने बताया एग्रीगेटर मॉडल है, सो व्हिच मींस दैट यू आल्सो नीड टू कलेक्ट लोड. सो क्या टाइम लगता है हमें उस लेवल पे आने के लिए, क्या हमारा सेल्स थ्रूपुट रहता है इनिशियल, आई वुड से पहले 3 महीने में, 6 महीने में कहां तक पहुंचता है, एंड बाय द टाइम वी हिट आवर 1 ईयर क्या वो लोड पहुंचना चाहिए.
So the beauty of this aggregation model is that I have already mentioned that there is 3 revenue streams. One is B2C directly through the app. The second one is the small mom and pop stores who don't have the machines. They also give it to us. And the third one is the hostels. So currently even if in Noida also we are doing with Stanza Living. We are having 1200 students over there. In Gurgaon also we are having Jiffy Homes, like Oyo Homes, then Stanza Living, then we are having APJ Group. So in whichever city we go, within 1 or 2 months, we hunt some of the hostels or hospitals where we get a bulk load. Like in the first stage, we get a load of 2 lakhs to 3 lakh rupees in the first 2 months, 2 to 3 months. So that is the beauty of this model. So after that, after like in a 1 year or 6 months down the line, we try to achieve at least like 9 to 10 lakhs of the revenue. Because without 9 to 10 lakhs of revenue, because this is a very like long-term model, like even if you can say that if somebody small mom and pop store is doing a 50,000 revenue per month or 1 lakh rupees per month, and they are giving the load to you, certainly you are having 10 tires. So the revenue goes to 10 lakh rupees. And suppose you are having 2 hostels with like 200 to 300 students, and they are having a billing of 2 lakh rupees. So it again goes to 12 lakh rupees, including both. And then the B2C customers, it again goes to. So this is a very like unique model. So इसमें क्या होता है कि आपको machines बढ़ाते रहना पड़ता है. आपको ज्यादा कमाई करना है तो आपको machines बढ़ाते रहना पड़ेगा. इसमें कोई कमाई का it's not having a single like revenue streams that we are getting in the mom and pop stores, like small laundromats where they are doing only laundry or dry cleaning. It's both the models, even if the deep cleaning. So the revenue sides goes very high. So in this case, even if you were talking about Dehradun, we got an offer from like Stanza Living for 2,500 students, and there are 70 hostels were there in Dehradun. Which near UPS Engineering College, Stanza Living is having 17 hostels. We got an offer for 2,500 students at 240 rupees. So the total, like in the day one, if you are opening over there, in the next 3 months, you are getting a fixed billing of 6 lakh rupees. So these models act like, and even if we are having an app, we can go to the Dehradun and we can operate the app in just 2 months. Matlab, there will be a flow of load also. Then we can go to the hostels or hotels, then you can ask for the matlab, staff laundry or the guest laundry. Then matlab, that will also enhance your capabilities, that will enhance your revenue stream. So this model doesn't mean that matlab, you are waiting for 6 months or 1 year to get the revenues. And we operate specifically on those areas, whichever areas I have mentioned in this FICO, we are already having better tires. Like in Bangalore, we are having tires. In Mumbai, we are having tires. In Hyderabad, we are having tires. In Pune, we are having tires. We are a bigger group because we are a startup. And in startup, basically, all these people like High Homes, GP Homes, they are present in all these places. And we are having national tires. So whenever we will opening, we will be getting a 2 to 3 lakhs revenue in just like 2 months or 3 months down the line. And it takes, wherever we are opening our store, then only we launch our app, and within 2 to 3 months we get a revenue of 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs from that also. So revenue streaming site is a very superb model, because it's not a single revenue streaming model, it's a multiple revenue streaming model.
सोमनाथ जी, दूसरा जो अगर मैं फीको की बात करती हूँ, क्या क्या इसमें ऑब्लिगेशन आपकी रहती है, क्या ऑब्लिगेशन आपके फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर की रहती है in terms of operating expenses? Are there any expenses which you expect a partner to bear? One. Second, because you're operating and he gets a minimum guarantee on the entire investment which he is doing, so जो visibility रहती है हमारी day to day जो business की है, वो किस तरीके से हम अपने franchise partner को देते हैं? So my two questions, one is the visibility because you're operating, क्या business हमारा cash flows रहता है? दूसरा, obligation जो आपकी रहती है, जो obligation franchisee की रहती है, both in terms of, I would say, activities as well as any expenses which he is also expected to bear.
So basically FICO मॉडल हम तभी देते हैं जब हमारे पास ऑलरेडी रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीमिंग होती है, नहीं तो FICO मॉडल हम देते नहीं। बेसिकली हम ओपन किए अभी 10 FICO मॉडल्स इन दिल्ली एनसीआर, बैंगलोर एंड हैदराबाद. Like matlab, we are having a revenue stream like 2 to 3 lakhs we will be getting in 2 to 3 months. और नहीं तो हम लोग FICO बेसिकली नहीं देते हैं. FICO is a very मतलब complex model for us also. So company take cares only those parts, because if you are going to be big, then मतलब you have to take care of everything. So in that case मतलब FICO मॉडल तो हमारा उसी सिटीज में, उसी प्लेसेस में हम लोग ओपन करते हैं जहां पर हमारे वाइबिलिटी आ जाती है. और FICO में ये कंस्ट्रेंट रहता है कि क्लाइंट को, जो फ्रेंचाइजी है, उसको बस जगह लेके हमें देना होता है, जिसका रेंटल, जिसका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, मैन पावर कॉस्ट, उसके बाद हम ऑपरेशंस लेके हम बियर करते हैं. उसको कुछ नहीं बियर करना है, उसको हर चीज ऑनलाइन मिलता रहेगा. एज दिस इज ऐप बेस्ड मॉडल, टोटली डिजिटल मॉडल, ऑनलाइन मॉडल. So he can get every update in day-to-day single update or a hourly update on their app also. They are having a single partner app where they will be getting all the updates, what are the load they are receiving, what are the load is going from the plant, and each day they have to spend 1 hour for the like revenue reconciliations. Anybody special the we recommend the franchisee to invest 1 hour every day for the payment reconciliations. That our staffs will be there, but even if our staffs will be there, but somebody is investing, he needs to take care of the financial part also. So we recommend each of the franchises that we are having already in the small retail outlet model, we are having 30 franchises. We always recommend everyone to go to that place and take care of the financials. So here also we are taking care of after giving the positions of this 2000 square feet, then all the machine procurement, then the operational part, then the activity part, then the logistics part, everything will be taken care by us only. So he needs to take care, he or she needs to take care of the financial part, that every day 1 hour they have to spend over there.
क्योंकि सोमनाथ जी, FICO मॉडल्स में जो भी पूरा एसेट है, ये आपके नाम रहता है या फ्रेंचाइजी के नाम रहता है? ये किसकी बुक्स में डेप्रिशिएट करता है एसेट? किसके बुक्स में रहता है ये पूरा एसेट? एसेट
एक्चुअली फ्रेंचाइजी के नाम पे रहता है. एसेट फ्रेंचाइजी के नाम पे रहता है, इसीलिए उसका जो 5 जो डेप्रिसिएशन है, हम लोग 5 years के बाद 30% वैल्यू ऑफ दिस मशीन्स, लाइक 18 lakhs का मशीन्स है, एंड तो उसका 5,40,000 देके हम लोग खरीद लेते हैं. और आफ्टर 5 years देयर इज नो FICO मॉडल. So after completion of the 5 years, it will directly transfer it into the FOCO model. Like franchisee won't come, the franchisee operated model will not take care after 5 years, because the revenue sides would be gone up to like 15 to 20 lakhs. We individually as a company, we think that it's better to take care by the franchisee only. Then they can earn also their revenue, and there we are taking a 30% from there.
Sure. फ्रेंड्स आई सी सम ऑफ यू रेजिंग योर हैंड. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं, Q&A बॉक्स आप देखते हैं अपने स्क्रीन पे नीचे, आप वहां पे टाइप कर सकते हैं. आई कैन रीड दैट विद योर नेम. इफ यू आल्सो वांट टू मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द सिटी या कोई प्रॉपर्टी लोकेशन आपके पास अवेलेबल है, आप प्लीज मेंशन कर सकते हैं एंड आई विल टेक इट अप. आई थिंक आई डिड सी मिस्टर अमित अग्रवाल जी, आपका हैंड फिलहाल अभी रेज्ड है. सो आप जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं आप डाल सकते हैं Q&A में. आई विल टेक इट अप. सो सोमनाथ जी, यू नो कपल ऑफ मोर थिंग्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन वंस अगेन, इस मॉडल में ये फ्रेंचाइजी ओन कंपनी ऑपरेटेड है. एसेट आपकी बुक में रहता है. एसेट आपकी बुक में रहने का मतलब डेप्रिसिएशन आप शो कर सकते हैं. यू गेट अ मिनिमम गारंटी और अ रेवेन्यू शेयर, जिसमें आपके पास एक तो 3 लोकेशंस दिल्ली में ऐसी है जहां पे बिजनेस कंपनी ऑलरेडी कर रही है, वहां पे गारंटीड बिजनेस फिलहाल अभी आ रहा है कॉन्टिन्यूसली. सो आप देख सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं कौन सी लोकेशंस हैं और उसमें आपकी क्या वायबिलिटी निकलती है. 1. दूसरा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज 3 लोकेशंस, अदर लोकेशंस आल्सो इंक्लूडिंग दिल्ली, NCR एंड अदर सिटीज लाइक पुणे, हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर, आई थिंक, which सोमनाथ जी mentioned, वहां पे भी फ्रेंचाइजी ओन कंपनी ऑपरेशंस अवेलेबल हैं. 5 साल का आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है. 5 साल कंपनी आपको मिनिमम गारंटी देगी या आपको रेवेन्यू शेयर देगी, जो भी इन दोनों में से हाई होगा. अगर आपका रेवेन्यू फॉर रीजंस अगर आपका कम है, कंपनी विल स्टिल पे यू द मिनिमम गारंटी व्हिच दे हैव कमिटेड. आफ्टर 5 years द कंपनी, इफ यू वांट टू एग्जिट द बिजनेस, द कंपनी विल आल्सो बाय बैक द इंटायर मशीनरी एट अ डेप्रिशिएटेड रेट. एंड अगर आप एग्जिट करना चाहते हैं, कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं, the company also has made provisions, but any kind of extension after 5 years would be on a franchisee operation model, जहाँ पे 5 साल कंपनी आपके लिए रन करेगी. उसके बाद अगर आप एग्जिट करते हैं, you get machine depreciation, the company would buy back on that cost. So that's helpful. सोमनाथ जी, दूसरा मॉडल हमारा वाटर प्योरीफायर का है. थोड़ा बहुत अगर हम उसके बारे में भी हम एक्सप्लेन कर सके, कौन सी लोकेशंस है हमारी एंड किस तरीके का सेटअप एक फ्रेंचाइजी को चाहिए, क्या हमारा एरिया रिक्वायरमेंट रहता है, क्या हमारी कॉस्टिंग रहती है मंथली एक्सपेंसेस की, एंड व्हाट इज द बिजनेस पोटेंशियल वन कैन मेक इन अ सेटअप.
So the water purification model is, I would recommend that it is a very good model, because water purifier, मैंने जैसे पहले mention, we are formed Cleans24 because we have seen that prevention is better than cure. So during COVID and after COVID, if you think that health and hygiene कितना impact हुआ है और health and hygiene कितना important है हमारे life के लिए, like मैं 5 चीजें मेंशन किया था, लाइक क्लीन गारमेंट्स, क्लीन सराउंडिंग, क्लीन वाटर, क्लीन एयर, हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस एंड क्लीन फूड. दीज आर मेजरली इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक एवरीवन healthy and happy. If you want to be happy, then you have to be healthy. If you are healthy, then you are happy. So clean water concept जो है, आज देखेंगे आप हर छोटे छोटे सिटीज में, इवन इफ कस्बा में आप देखेंगे, इवन इफ ऑल ओवर इंडिया, the government has started giving the tapped water. So but the tapped water is not authentic water to drink, because आपने ये तो देखा है कि क्या pollutions level हो रहा है. even if water the water level of Delhi NCR or in any other cities, I have gone to all of the all over the countries, like all of the states, then all of the cities also. I have seen the water qualities varies from place to place. So the quality of water is deteriorating. In that case, water purifier is most important. आज तो आप पानी पी रहे हैं, लेकिन आज से अगर 2 साल, 3 साल, 5 साल बाद देखेंगे और लेवल डाउन चला जाएगा और TDS लेवल बढ़ जाएगा. जब TDS लेवल हाई रहेगा और pH वैल्यू हाई रहेगा, then you can drink that water. So in that case, water purification model, what we are launching and why we have launched this subscription model, because we have seen that in small cities also. बनारस में 2 लाख 3 लाख लोग रहते हैं, या आपका छोटे छोटे शहर हो गया, चाहे राजस्थान जाओ, चाहे महाराष्ट्र जाओ, चाहे गुजरात जाओ, वहां पर बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे सिटीज है जहां 1 से 2 लाख लोग रहते हैं. वहां पर जो वाटर प्यूरिफायर जो है उसका कॉस्ट 15 to 20,000 का है मिनिमम. लाइक इफ यू टेक ए Kentaro, इफ यू टेक ए AO Smith, if you take any kind of ROs, the down payment is 15 to 20,000. Most of the people can't afford. हम लोग सोचते हैं, हम लोग बेसिकली हेल्थ के लिए इतना इंडिया में इतना ज्यादा कंसर्न नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग सोचते हैं अरे नहीं यार पानी पी लेते हैं, मतलब मतलब नल का पानी आ रहा पी लेते हैं, या मतलब इधर से पानी आ रहा है, इधर बोतल वाटर आ रहा पी लेते हैं. बट इन कंट्रीज वेयर मतलब देयर इज ए शॉर्टफॉल ऑफ दिस वाटर, वेयर द क्वालिटी इज डिटोरेटिंग आफ्टर इंडिया, यू कैन सी आफ्टर 5 years the quality of water is very poor. So right now also, matlab we are having installed a complete RO system for like 110 MLD in like Agra. We thought that matlab the inlet and outlet was quite matlab the pH value was different, the TDS value was different. So we thought that सबको पानी नहीं मिल पाएगा, 15,000 से 20,000 सब लोग खर्चा नहीं कर पाएंगे, सब लोग 4,000 से 5,000 मेंटेनेंस भी नहीं दे पाएंगे, चलो हम इनके लिए एक बेटर मॉडल ले आते हैं, चलो इनको एक रेंटल मॉडल पे ले आते हैं. ये मतलब आई नो द टेक्नोलॉजी, आई नो so matlab related to the water, so let's go to the franchisee, let's form a model so that we can give a 500 rupees RO. जहां एक गरीब आदमी का 10,000 से 15,000 रुपए का खर्चा मतलब कमाई है, वो भी 500 रुपए हर महीने पानी के लिए देता ही है, क्योंकि एक बोतल वाटर का कॉस्ट होता है 30 रुपए, 40 रुपए, 50 रुपए, जिसका कोई ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं है, आपको पता नहीं है वो बोतल कहाँ पैक हो रहा है और क्या ओनली आरओ हो रहा है, क्योंकि ओनली आरओ से भी आपका मतलब प्रॉब्लम सफाइस नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि ओनली आरओ इज अ डेड वाटर, बिकॉज डेड वाटर इफ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग देन इट विल deteriorate your bones, it will deteriorate your flesh in like 5 years, 10 years down, so you will face a lot of challenges. So it requires a mineralizer also, because mineral जब magnesium ऐड करेंगे, जब phosphorus ऐड करेंगे, then it will go to your bones, it will affect to your मतलब body, then it will keep you healthy and wealthy. So मतलब we have taken all these three factors, we formed a model that matlab this comes under matlab with IoT, with app and everything, it comes to be 10,000 rupees per piece. So let us bear 4,000 rupees and 6,000 bear by the like franchisee, and each RO wherever matlab we take care of the installations also, matlab we do the marketing in that area, particularly like मतलब एक छोटे सिटीज है जहां से 1 लाख या 2 लाख का पॉपुलेशन है, वहां पर हम लोग मार्केटिंग करते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर मार्केटिंग करते हैं, फ्लायर मार्केटिंग करते हैं, और वहां से उसको इंस्टॉलेशन करते हैं. और हर आरओ क्या होता है कि आपका ऐप में फीड होता है, तो ऐप में जो फ्रेंचाइजी के पास हर इंफॉर्मेशन रहता है, उसका आरओ कहाँ लगा हुआ है और कहाँ पर मतलब उसका कितना रिचार्ज हुआ है. तो हर महीने 500 रुपए जो रिचार्ज करे, ऑटोमेटिकली फ्रेंचाइजी के अकाउंट में 350 चला जाएगा, और 150 जो हमारे पास आ रहा है, तो हम उसमें भी मेंटेनेंस का जितना भी आरओ मेम्ब्रेन हो गया, यूवी मेम्ब्रेन हो गया, आरओ फिल्टर हो गया, सेडिमेंटेशन फिल्टर्स हो गया, वो सब हम लोग एनुअली उनको प्रोवाइड करते हैं. उनका कॉस्ट मतलब जो एक्सपेंसेस कॉस्ट आता है बस एक टेक्नीशियंस का आता है, और जहां पर छोटा मोटा मेंटेनेंस होगा वहां पर वो 5,000 का जगह ले सकते हैं कोई भी मतलब ऐसे छोटे एरिया में, बिकॉज इट्स टोटली ऑनलाइन, इट्स नॉट ए ऑफलाइन काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि मतलब आप आरओ रख के बेच रहे हो, आप आरओ बेसिकली सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल पे दे रहे हो. हम लोग बेसिकली इसको हर सिटीज के लिए पेनिट्रेट करना चाहते हैं और ओवर इंडिया. मतलब आई वुड से मतलब कंपनी मतलब इस मॉडल लाइक लिपियोर एंड ड्रिंक प्राइम. So Lipior is basically a D2C brand and Drink Prime is a D2C brand. So we want to penetrate the market into a franchisee route. Matlab they have installed like 70,000 ROs in 2 months, 2 years. So Lipior installed 50,000 ROs in 2 years and Drink Prime installed 25,000 ROs in 2 years. So we thought that D2C में तो हम लोग बस शहरों तक पहुंचते हैं, tier 1, tier 2 तक भी नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं. Only tier 1 they are focusing on. We are basically focusing on tier 2 cities and tier 3 cities and tier 1, some of the part of tier 1 जहां पर लोगों का अफोर्डेबिलिटी नहीं हो पा रहा है, जहां पर लोग खरीद नहीं पाते, वहां पर तो हम लोग रेंटल आराम से मतलब लगा सकते हैं. आप किसी दुकानदार यूज करता है बोटल वाटर, उसको भी बोलो जाके कि मैं मतलब आरओ तेरे यहाँ लगा देता हूँ, तो फिर आरओ वो मना नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि 500 रुपीज में आरओ उसको मिल जाएगा. इवन इफ यू थिंक दैट फॉर ए लार्जर circumference मतलब you want to install 1,000 ROs in this rental model. अगर मैं बोलूं मेरे घर के आसपास में मेरा जो फैमिली सर्कल्स है, मतलब we have installed 100 ROs in last month, we have launched in just 10 days we have installed 100 ROs. So that is the beauty of this model. So it can be penetrated in small cities also where there is a population of 1 lakh rupees. आपको bottled water को replacement करना है और जो टैप्ड वाटर को रिप्लेसमेंट करना है, और उनके बारे में बताना है कि व्हाट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस मॉडल.
Sure, Somna ji, that's very, very helpful for us to understand. Friends, since we're talking about two different models, एक आपका laundry model है जहाँ पे franchisee invested company operated model है, आपको minimum guarantee मिलती है. दूसरा आपका water purifier है, where instead of buying these purifiers, this is something which can be leased, जहाँ पे एक monthly maintenance fee होती है जो आपके जितने भी households होते हैं वो आपको देते हैं. And if you have any questions, friends, on these two models, you can reach out on the hotline number of Franchise India. We're also organizing a discovery day with Somnath ji, जहाँ पे जो भी आपकी रिलेटेड क्वेरीज जो होंगी वो हम आपसे कनेक्ट कराएंगे सोमनाथ जी को. ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी डिडंट हैव टू मच ऑफ टाइम टू गो इन डेप्थ ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल्स, सो आई विल ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट आवर टीम हु इज वर्किंग ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट इन दिल्ली, वो सारे हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स जो आज वेबिनार पे आए हैं, plus a lot of you I see were also live on the webinar, and a lot of people who have registered but could not be a part of the presentation that we took through. We'll send you all the information that we have gone through, and you can start also blocking your slots for 24th of December. And Somnath ji, before we close, एक मैं request करूंगी, एक message एक आप सारे हमारे जितने भी investors आज webinar पे उनको आप देना चाहते हैं. And plus, we didn't discuss about on the franchisee and franchisee operated model. अगर उसमें भी अगर आप franchisee की obligation बता पाएं, and क्या how will this segregator model work for them? Over to you.
So basically, I would recommend that both the models like FICO or FOCO, it doesn't matter in any of the cities or any of the places. We are open with FICO or FOCO, but the basic vision for a franchisee or basic vision for a company to penetrate the all of the country. Like if I will go for a funding round, I will be getting a handsome amount of funding. I could able to enhance the market and all these things. The basic vision to penetrate this into a franchisee mode is that if I will get funding and I will start the operations everywhere, why not to better to collaborate with people? Because today's like आज के दिन में हम लोग देखते हैं आज जो चल रहा है, the collaboration is the best way to penetrate the market. So I think that if company is earning, then franchisee routing is the best possible way, because we could give the services, we could do the better collaboration and we can penetrate the market. So penetration strategy हमारा जो है basically हमारे company Cleans24 के इससे collaboration में. So it's a better model. Even if FICO or FOCO, that doesn't matter. Company is taking care of the whole marketing. All the tie-ups, आप FICO लीजिए, आप FOCO लीजिए, all the tie-ups are done by the company. Why not? Why you take need to worry about the revenue streams? जब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं उसमें जो भी एग्रीमेंट देंगे उसमें लिखा होगा all the tie-ups of the mom and pop stores, all the tie-ups, all the app launch, everything, all the like hostels, hotels, जो भी tie up करना है, क्या tie up करना है, everything is being taken care by the company, and all the places will be taking care, sending two people like our the marketing team people who will take care of the expansion part, all the revenue part, and the quality management part, which is the major factor in both the segments, we are taking care. So in FOCO और FICO doesn't matter कि आपको रेवेन्यू के लिए वेरी करना है या आपको क्वालिटी के लिए वेरी करना है, because company is taking care both the parts in any of the model. Because एक नया आदमी जब आता है फोको लेने के लिए, उसको पता नहीं होता है कि मैं इस बिजनेस को करता हूँ या किया हूँ या नहीं किया हूँ. So they get worried about all this part, because एक तो सबसे पहले उसको लगता है कि मैं रेवेन्यू कैसे अर्न करूंगा, और उसको बाद में लगता है कि मैं क्वालिटी को मेंटेन कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा. आई वुड से दैट दे कैन मेंटेन द क्वालिटी और दे कैन मेंटेन द रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम्स इफ दे आर वर्किंग सिंगल हैंडेडली. So here we are taking care of the complete revenue streaming part, and complete quality management part is under our operations only, because we are an online company. We can't take care of the risk factor. We can't take care of this risk factor that we are going to open in any of the areas, and we are not supporting the franchisee. So basically online company में तो कोई भी जाता है, कोई भी रिव्यू डाल देता है, इसीलिए we can't take care, we can't neglect it. So we are taking care of the revenue streaming, we are taking care of the operations part, we are taking care of the quality management part. इसमें हमारे बंदे हर जगह रहेंगे.
Sure. Thank you so much, Somnath ji. And friends, like I mentioned, we have a discovery day on 24th of December. जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे या आपका इंटरेस्ट रहेगा किसी भी सिटी में जहाँ पे एग्जिस्टिंग ऑपरेशंस हैं या फ्रेंचाइजी इन्वेस्टेड कंपनी ऑपरेशंस में आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं, प्लीज लेट अस नो. विल furnish all information as requested by all of you and connect you on 24th. Ashna, can I request you to kindly take it up?
Sure.
For the
So thank you
closing
so
remarks.
much. Yeah, thank you so much, Somnath ji. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for joining in today. We definitely want to thanks our investors for joining in today. Please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176 83838. We have shared this number as well as our email ID in chat box also. Connect with us at our different social handles. We are available at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. In case you wish to understand more about this business opportunity, you can go to Facebook page where we have a recorded version. And you can join Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their LinkedIn platform to get more business opportunities, more franchise options, and different kind of a services franchise India offering to you. And tomorrow, under our business opportunity of a chai webinar series, we are inviting you for Masonite Door. That's the brand we are bringing tomorrow. The brand deals into different kind of a associate program. So don't miss this chance. Join us tomorrow to understand the journey of Masonite Door. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a safe day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you, Kanika. And thanks all the investors who have joined. And it's a pleasure to have you all in the 24th December Discovery Day. And I really appreciate your presence, all of you. And thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Take care.